Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside settings, so open System Display now. First, turn Night Light off and disable any color filters. These often add a yellow cast. Once done, make sure the monitor is using a direct, snug cable connection and try a different port if available. You'll also want to temporarily disable HDR/advanced color to see immediate change. This gets you past the common software toggles and isolates whether the tint is a setting or hardware signal issue. Next, update or reinstall your graphics driver from Device Manager. Corrupt drivers can shift hues. If a recent driver changed color, consider a rollback. Then open Color Management and set the monitor to an sRGB or default ICC profile to remove warm bias. Once that's set, run Windows Display Color Calibration to tune gamma, brightness, and color balance. Make sure to test after each change so you know which action removed the yellow cast and why it worked. Finish by running the Windows Calibration tool, DCCW, to create and save a corrected ICC profile. This permanently adjusts the color pipeline. Once done, test in safe mode or connect an external monitor to rule out panel hardware faults. Make sure to create a restore point before major driver changes. If the yellow persists, roll back the GPU driver or U system, restore to the last known good state. This single troubleshooting tip often fixes color shifts caused by recent updates or driver corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.